Moodle is the learning management system used by Oakland University. You can access Moodle by going to moodle.oakland.edu and signing in using your NetID. On your home page, you will see your dashboard, which shows all your courses. You can always click the OU logo in the top left corner to return to this dashboard. You will also see a drop-down menu where you can view all your courses. Under the Faculty tab, you will find online teaching resources. If you need technical support from the e-learning and instructional support office, you can click Get Help to access immediate support. For more in-depth teaching assistance, you can go to the Faculty tab and review the resources under Instructional Design. For help documents and tutorial videos on using Moodle, go to the Faculty tab and click Faculty Help Library.